Lesson 9. The Fool Meaning. The Fool represents new beginnings, infinite potential, and the leap of faith into the unknown. It is the energy of innocence, curiosity, and trust in life. This card encourages you to release fear, embrace adventure, and step boldly into your journey without needing all the answers. Key meanings: upright and reversed. Upright, new beginnings. Leap of faith. Adventure and freedom. Innocence and open-mindedness. Trusting the journey. Reversed. Recklessness or foolish choices. Fear of the unknown. Lack of direction. Naivety or unrealistic expectations. Resistance to change. Symbolism. Cliff edge, stepping into the unknown. Small dog. Instinct, protection, loyalty. White rose, purity, innocence, and new potential. The sun, divine guidance, optimism, and enlightenment. Bundle on a stick, traveling lightly and leaving the past behind. Love. The Fool often indicates exciting new romantic beginnings, spontaneity, and a carefree approach to relationships. It may also represent someone who is open-hearted but not yet emotionally settled. Reversed. May indicate fear of commitment, emotional immaturity, or rushing into relationships without thinking. Career. The Fool suggests new career opportunities, entrepreneurial ventures, or taking a chance on an exciting path. It encourages following your passion, even if the destination isn't completely clear. Reversed. Poor planning, lack of preparation, or hesitation preventing progress. Finances. Financially, the Fool points toward new opportunities, investments, entrepreneurship, or calculated risks that could lead to growth. Reversed. Impulsive spending, financial naivety, or making decisions without sufficient planning. Spiritual growth. Spiritually, the Fool represents the beginning of a new soul journey. It encourages trusting the universe, embracing personal growth, and allowing life to unfold naturally. Reversed. Spiritual confusion, fear of change, or resistance to personal transformation. Tips for interpretation. Consider the surrounding cards to understand where the new beginning is leading. The Fool represents potential, not certainty. Ask whether the energy feels inspired and trusting, or reckless and impulsive. Timing is important. This card often marks the beginning of an important chapter. Questions to ask during a reading. What new beginning is calling me? Am I taking a leap of faith or avoiding an important opportunity? Where do I need to trust myself more? What adventure is waiting for me if I release fear? Practical exercise. Think about one area of your life where you're ready for a fresh start. Write down. 1. What excites you about this new beginning? 2. What fears are holding you back? 3. What is one small action you can take today? Lesson summary. The Fool is the card of fresh starts, limitless possibilities, and trusting the journey ahead. It reminds us that every great adventure begins with a single courageous step. By releasing fear and embracing curiosity, we open ourselves to growth, learning, and transformation. Homework. This week, take one small action that feels slightly outside your comfort zone. Keep a journal of what you did, how it made you feel, what you learned from taking the leap. Learn through music. To deepen your understanding of the Fool, listen to The Fool by Synthesized Souls. This original song transforms the symbolism of the Fool into music, illustrating the journey from new beginnings, infinite potential, and a leap of faith into the unknown. Listening while reflecting on the card's imagery can help you internalize its emotional and spiritual message in a memorable way. As part of this course, the song's video and link accompany this lesson. Listen carefully to the lyrics and consider how they echo the symbolism of embracing adventure and stepping into your journey without needing all the answers. Homework. Listen to the song at least twice while looking at the Fool card. Then write down 3 ways you can expand your own meaning. Reflect on how the card and the music together inspire you to move forward with confidence.